I know the vibes, your boy MrSitchy, man. The lighting about nice as hell, bright as hell. Y'all see me in the hotel room and shit, right? You feel me? Flamingos and shit on the motherfucker. On the wall and move out the way. And shit, you feel me? Cause we at the fucking Flamingo, shorty. You feel me? Motherfuckers back in Vegas with it or whatever, you know what the vibes is, you know the vibe, you know the vibe. Let me go in here, focus that, you feel me? Which way is the slide? So look. You know, I see the swimming pool and shit down there, right? Yeah, that bitch nice. We gonna end up getting on that Ferris wheel or whatever, probably, or something. No bullshit. That bitch go high as hell. And y'all see what that's over there. No bullshit. Yeah, man, but you know. I don't know what the fuck the vibes is while out here. I ain't been out here in a little minute and shit. I need to start coming out here more. But you feel me? The motherfuckers finna get that shit figured out. And once we get it figured out, y'all gonna see.
2 hours later.
Alright, man, y'all see where we at. Alright, let me go this way, actually. Shorty ass just slid around 2 different times. Alright, y'all see where we at. Houston hot chicken. Hot chicken. Our chicken is all natural red. It's cage free. A whole lot of that. A whole lot of that, whole lot of that, whole lot of that. So we finna interview it. Check it out, check it out, check it out. You see they got the artwork on the whistle and shit. Look good, bro. Look. Man, look at the
You guys tried us before?
Nah, bro, I haven't. Neither one of us, bro.
Okay. Let me know if you guys have any questions, okay?
Alright, bet. Say less.
You can, on any chicken dinner, you can pick your own spice level, okay?
Alright, bet.
Gotcha. And so I see you, they ordered a Southwest salad, house sauce, and a salad a la carte, mild action.
Hot chicken, tender and waffles. They got tender and waffles. I'm came for it.
You got your salad.
This looks like something real good. I want to get that, but I don't eat slaw. But I think I'm finna get that chicken sandwich without slaw and pickles. Yeah.
I got you guys.
Alright,
You guys want to dine in?
yeah.
We'll get started for you guys.
Alright, can I get the original hot chicken meal?
You want to do a honey butter, mild, medium, spicy, lift off? How you feeling?
Let me do spicy.
Okay.
I don't want no slaw though or pickles.
No slaw, no pickles. What else can I get for you guys?
Hey, give me some of yours. Can I have some of your
That come with a drink?
The drinks here are separate.
I mean, that's cool. Can I get...
I'll definitely try one of those frozen lemonade, the strawberry one.
Let me try that strawberry.
Okay, I got you. What else can I get for you guys? I'd recommend the tenders and waffles. It's a perfect combination. The waffle, the Belgian waffle is seriously so good. You don't even really need syrup on it.
Thanks.
But it is that good.
Hey bro, let me pay for mine. She can't take it.
Okay, I got you. It's just gonna be $19.49.
Alright. I was just waiting on you.
I already ordered it.
I know. I was waiting till you were done. I didn't think you were done.
2 minutes ago.
That's why I was like, I'm just waiting for you.
Technically,
I can take the wrapper.
You need a receipt? Alright.
You guys have a YouTube?
yeah, I do.
Do you do food reviews?
Yeah, I do all of that. So that's why I gotta record with me walking up in here and stuff, cause I got a vlog and everything.
Okay.
Most definitely. It's called MrSitchy.
Okay.
If you get a chance, just look it up on YouTube. It's MrSitchy. It's MrSitchy.
Yeah. But I want.
Appreciate you. I see. Lemonade smacking. That's why it's important to bring the camera everywhere you go, bro. Every time. Everywhere you go. Cause you never know.
Spicy sandwich, and I brought you an extra sauce because it's gonna be busted.
Appreciate you. Most definitely. Look at that. This is just for what we eating for the moment right now. Hey, she on my ass. She said, I want your eyebrows. Oh, damn. I be forgetting these motherfuckers thick as hell. Try a french fry. Real seasoning salt. Real seasoning salt. You get comfortable. Real schmick, real schmick. Let's get comfy. Alright. Last time we was here, bro, in Vegas, we went in the shit for real. We ate a lot, but we ain't tried shit for real. I'm like, this time, we gotta eat. I came here to get food and just smoke. I just needed to get away from Minnesota, bro. I see that. Oh yeah, this from the butt. You know who's hot as fuck. Shit on my eyes watering, bro. That's how hot that shit is. Definitely. That's why I say I recommend that lemonade. Cause boy, here's my phone now, man. I gotta take a picture of that. Real quick. Life. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. What you get? Super hot? She cooked. I got spicy, nigga, and I just almost
Went from yours goes from 150, and then the one that I got is 600. And then I got a mix of all of them.
Houston's hot chicken. This shit buzzing. Got my nose right now. This shit hot. And she said she got higher than what I got. Y'all know I love spicy shit.
Oh, like the spin-off or whatever it's called. Oh, lift-off.
Y'all know I love the spicy shit. These french fries are perfect too. Never seasoned.
They said you don't want to fuck 2 minutes so we come pick you up together. Now you don't want to get in the car. Come on, baby, get in. No,
Bro, you got 2 different type of people in life. I thought they has no slaw, no pickles. Her ass got extra. She got slaw and extra pickles on the side and shit. She nasty. White folk. Her ass a white person. It's alright, white lady. She wanna keep it off my shit. Oh, now you wanna keep it off my shit.
What do I ever put on your shit?
Yo, I got good footage. You don't know if you cussing people the fuck out while I'm vlogging. She be going in on people.
Oh, I'm like,
You stupid son of a bitch, I told you what the fuck. No, you dumbass. I'll be like, doing the Queasy. Queasy got me. I'll be over there.
that is Queen's face, so he be. I mean, bro.
I love Queasy, bro. That nigga like.
Every time I find myself mad, I be like, I love you too much. I can't. Because even when you're gone, he's not hanging out with you. He'll write me, you doing crazy, lady. I be like, bro, I love you.
Like, you know you crazy, right?
That's all he says to me. He called me one day. So I just wanted to hear your voice because somebody told me some crazy shit and made me think you're crazy ass, and I just have to tell you're crazy ass. That's all.
I fuck with it. Otherwise, I feel like I ain't ate.
They're super nice here. They just smile. Like, they don't drop their breath. Like, y'all like each other. Like, y'all just smile and hurt. Like, especially the cashier. Like, he was trying the whole time talking to us. It's like, okay.
My mama, that's how I be.
You can't catch a motherfucker at McDonald's like that when it's so hot. Steakhouse. They're angry as fuck.
Why the hibachi place just write me back? Talking about from 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. I know now.
6 o'clock.
I know now.
Oh, you talking to us in the morning? Oh.
So my gonna go look at hibachi.
You don't see me in this bitch screaming. Oh, you sweet. You should have got your pickles and gave me. What consider it?
You forget it. It's so natural. Them is actual pickles though. Them not.
No, bro. That's why.
I didn't know that. I would've ate them. You know them little.
You're gonna put the little flimsier ones?
Yeah, you know the little pack. You know the pack of pickles you can buy and eat. They like dry. Them fire.
Yeah, those are just like.
That's exactly what they are, but they just dried out. Dried more.
This seasoning is like sweet.
No, that's that sauce.
But it's sweet. Like really
You know I'm probably like it. Cause I like it, but I don't like it. The sauce only though. At least I told you. You say I'm I keep eating mine, but then the sauce keep fucking me up because it's like sweet. Like a sweet sauce. So I'm gonna keep eating this motherfucker. And I ain't even high on my cousin, boy. I'm sober as fuck. No Oh, me eating right now is actually surprising as fuck, but I had to. I was hungry. I'm not saying. For me? I can eat. My mama. Tap me in. For what? What's his line? Can you bring back some shroom chocolate?
This baby is cute. She looks just like daddy.
I gotta. I don't care. This is the generation where people love and wanna do shrooms, right? And I can get them easy. Still, I'm not doing them. I tried them, and guess what I told my cousin? Well, before I did it, I cussed him out because I got mad. I said, boy, and then I'm letting you pressure me into trying shrooms and shit. Nigga, I don't even want this damn shroom. Shit, because I needed somebody else to trip out with. I'm like, man, dude, you lucky I love you, nigga. Queasy and that motherfucker crying tears, laughing hard as hell. I'm running through my house, nigga, like I really took a Mario shroom. Fuck you talking about?
I've been watching you to see if you were high, and you're sitting there while I'm watching you do this with your eyes, like your eyes are going. You're literally trying. You're not even trying to keep them open. You're trying to keep them normally up. You're sitting there. Your mouth. That's the longest I've ever seen you sit with your mouth open. So you could toss something in this shit. You just listening to your mouth open here.
Oh God, I'm over there. I'm smoking and shit, nigga. I pray I don't throw up. I didn't, so I was happy. Cause nigga, my first time actually doing shrooms, I eat a whole 3-5.
Oh, so you did shroom before?
So my first time doing shrooms, I just ate a whole 3-5. My first time doing shrooms with Queasy just now. I did them before, yeah. But that don't count. Nigga gave Queasy ass like a dub. A dub, literally, a 1.7. First, that wasn't gonna do shit. Queasy ass gave me like a gram. 0.7, 0.8 or some shit. I ate all that shit. I was perfectly fine. So I'm like, well, fuck that. I'm finna eat the whole 3-5 then. I'm not finna eat no dub. That's what we did last time and split it. Now we both 3-5, 3-5. I was busting off that motherfucker. Alright, so look. I'm gonna rate Houston's hot chicken. Shit fire as fuck. I'm gonna recommend y'all though. If you like your food completely spicy and just spicy, tell her ass you don't want that sauce on it. That's all it is. Otherwise, chicken on point, but the sauce is throwing me out. It's like, I need my shit to be spicy. That's your first bite?
Yeah.
Told
You know, I'm making my last.
She said, no, making my last. I just told her that shit was hot. I bit into it and y'all heard me. I choked. These french fries though, folks. I'm eating all these. Then that way I feel like I got my money worth for real.
Because I underestimate hot from places, bro. I don't expect it to be that
Houston hot. I knew that shit was hot. The chicken red. She's crazy as hell. You see red chicken? Not literally red, but this.
I should have just known. I just watched the video on TikTok.
This?
Yes, that's how I see it. That's what I was looking on TikTok. I need to see what the fuck that shit looks like. I need to see shit. If it looked like, yeah, the steak looked good and what you showed me, but the rest of the shit looks so nasty.
I'm a noodle person. That's all it is.
Yeah, I know.
noodles and rice with meat. Oh my god. Just call me Asian. What are you talking about?
They're highly offended right now. But you have to do like the #1 thing because our TikTok is going to be so clearly they're trying to get out water because they know that they got fucking water. I should have did that.
Ain't nothing wrong with this. Mine just tastes like real strawberry lemonade. Cause this is the hibiscus. That's customer service right there. He need a raise.
You need to work here.
He need a raise. So you my nigga was positive. The whole meeting. He was even patient when we walked up. He even asked us, have y'all ever been here before? I'm like, nah, bro. Not at all. Not at all. He's like, oh yeah, man, I most definitely recommend. I mean, when you a chicken spot, you know you ain't got that many items on the menu.
Yeah, because this is technically like
Damn, she right. This is.
Exactly like
this really is.
Everything that they put on their sandwich is what they go home.
They should have used the normal sauce there. What you talking about? Nashville poop sauce is the sauce that you want. No, we put you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Definitely. See, bro, need a raise. I almost forgot that was the cashier. That's why I had to look at him. He walked up as I'm talking about the sauce and shit, and then asked if we want more sauce. I'm like, damn. Out here, they minimum wage started like $7, $8, like $9, $8, $9.
Boy, I feel like you're sucking dick every day. I swear to God, I'm kidding. But that's what they're supposed to do. You don't have, bro, you could really walk on the strip and you could be like, oh, take pictures with me. You don't have to. We watched a girl do it one year. She was just in a leather ass outfit and she was telling people to take pictures with her. She wasn't a showgirl, bro. You can't, if you're not one of them bitches, bro, the cops find you and they take you off because you're selling yourself. That's like those men that do that with those cards and with the porn cards. They arrest them because you want to take you on the strip. You can't prostitute on the strip. You do it off the strip. You can't do it on the strip. Like they were like arrest you that shit. When I found that out, how did I find that out? Once I found out they were arresting all these bitches, I'm like, why are they getting arrested for what they can do? No, it doesn't matter if prostitution is legal in certain places. There are certain places you can't prostitute in. You can't prostitute on this strip. That's a manufacturer. Anywhere around this bitch, go ahead and do whatever you want, but you can't sit there and prostitute on this strip. I'm like, shit. That's why everybody makes sense too. Like most strippers get kicked out for something. That's prostitution. That's a whorehouse. People don't run shit like that. So you get kicked out talking about so you can get some prostitution.
I didn't know all that shit.
Yeah, you're not. That's like the stripper prostitute. She's doing it out of her own. But if the public to find out about that, she's going to jail. It doesn't even matter if prostitution is legal. Like, she's going to jail. They're going to post stuff.
I need some weed, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
That's why they're technically called private men, but they're not real private men.
So, I had to instantly, man. That shit did hit though. I'm not high. I don't gotta be high to eat though. I'm not like everybody, you motherfucker. I gotta be high to even taste my food, gang. I'll be like, but being high does make a difference on my appetite. I'll be real with y'all. When I'm high as fuck, it's over. I'm just eating shit. Eating. I'm trying to clean my own mess up and shit and make sure I'm clean. You feel me? This is sweet lobby. I want to do that.
Damn, I'm trying to look at my Facebook page and just ugly as fuck and don't do nothing to myself. Because why the fuck does my shit go up just like that, just from me getting my hair? I've only posted my face. Like, literally, only my face. I just posted.
The NBA offseason number
30 minutes ago and I had 60 fucking hearts. I mean, it's nothing but me.
I don't know what I'm watching right now. Brianna has on Facebook looking like a MILF on her story and shit. Her ass look like somebody granny nanny. Damn, bro. Alright, yeah. So we got the food out the way, man. I'm gonna get over with y'all, though. I'm finna cut this off. We going to the dispensary after this, so I'll get over with y'all.